It's Mommy Gypsy and this is Baby.
Yes.
Today we're gonna be baking cookies. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We will be using this pre-made cookie dough that we bought from Stop and Shop. And we will be needing this cookie dough, this baking pan, parchment paper. Before we start, we're gonna need to preheat our oven first. 3, 2, 5. I'm gonna get the parchment paper, place it here. Baby Kelsey, can you put all the dough here?
Yeah.
Okay, can you help Mommy please? So let's place all the cookie dough like approximately 2 inches apart from each other. Okay, that's it.
Yay!
Now our oven is preheated. Let's bake it for 10 minutes. Forgot to mention guys that this is also dairy-free, wheat-free. Tayo'y mag-ocho-ocho! Ta-da! It's ready! This is not hot anymore. This is ready to eat. There.
It's not hot.
Cheers! It's really good. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.